native grasses in these swamps all these ducks are feeding on we call widgeon grass. Early in the season, this grass is thick and resembles a flooded football field. By the end of the season, after these ducks have feasted on it for months, the grass will be gone and the pond will resemble a lake. We're in shooting time right now, but as you can tell, really overcast. Got about a 10-mile-an-hour breeze from the north. Pretty clear, no fog. We've seen a lot of birds in this area. We got a good spread, a ton of feed and grass, and when that water's low, that grass comes up at the top even more. It's just a carpet of feed on this water, so we feel really good about this.
Out front, out front.
Camera got me nervous, man.
Right here on our left, Jay, coming over the top.
Get him.
Too far.
This is for TV, bro.
There you go, buddy.
Shit.
You got the rust off?
Can eat now, boys.
These ringnecks, man, they're flying fast and hard. They're fun to shoot and really good to eat because they're feeding on all that widgeon grass like that.
Helmet down.
2 footballs.
Some little bit of fun.
That look tasty.
Don't come back.
3, 4, 5.
In my years of experience, letting them get too close isn't any fun.
Nice shot, dude.
There he is.
That's it?
One of these is for you, bro. That's how you do that. Shoot 12, eat breakfast.
We need 2 more birds to get our limit. Big thunderstorms coming around 11. It's already starting drizzling, so 2 more. It's over. 2 more.
Y'all want to come over here? Yeah, we got 12. We've been done. We've been eating soup. Yeah, let us grab our birds and y'all come over here so y'all can try and get a limit.
Nice.
So yeah, you get a little free time, a little breakaway time. It's you can't beat it, you know. Can't beat it.
How was it?
Y'all shot him up, huh? All right, we are back at the camp after a great hunt. Had a lot of fun. Shot some birds, few limits. But before we get to go cleaning those birds, got to get everybody fueled up. Perfect link of boudin is a thing of beauty. Tightly packed within a hog casing. Textures and flavors of local rice and pork liver. Ready to burst out and release their aromas of cayenne pepper and green onions. The biscuits have been baking for now 15 minutes. They look great. They're just slightly golden. We're going to brush a little butter on top, but they are ready to go. As Louisianans, we were raised around this idea that whatever we hunt, whatever we catch, whatever we trap, we eat. There's something full circle. There's some unspoken connectedness when it comes to harvesting your own birds, consuming them right in that same area where y'all both live. And when you think about those ducks and where they're migrating from, Canada, the Dakotas, the northern prairies of the Americas, they're migrating from those all the way to Louisiana, and they make a home in those freshwater swamps in Louisiana. As a Louisianian, as a waterfowler, as a professional chef, there's no greater joy than better go harvest your own waterfowl and ducks in this case, and better cook a meal with that. You're getting the epitome of fresh and wild and sustainable through that game.